We've got 3 fairly big jobs on. It's pretty hard to pull tracks up while trains are running on them, so yes, no trains running. We're a busy line in terms of both freight and passenger trains, so we do our utmost to make sure that the trains have the best opportunity of arriving at the destination on time. It's always hard on the boys because when everybody else is on holiday and enjoying the sunshine, we're at work, you know, so it's always a bit of a challenge, but it's one that we generally accept quite gladly. We try and restrict the noisy works or the dusty works to periods of less inconvenience. Sometimes it's unavoidable, unfortunately, but we do generally try to be a good neighbour in that regard. If it's gone well, we will have the track back to full line speed by the end of the block. The ride will certainly be smoother, that's our intention. There will be no ongoing restrictions in those areas for quite some time. Camper will be coming in after we've done our major work and putting that nice smooth top on it and consolidate the ballast so that come, I think it's the Monday morning on the first working day after that Christmas block, the trains should be whizzing through here by at normal speed.